Finally managed to get in. So like it was saying outside, during the war this was firebombed because it was the National Library. So when I came in 2006 and 7, at those times it was boarded up, and now I'm finally able to go in after 17 years. These are the prosecutors of the International Tribunal. So that was worth the 17-year wait and worth the ticket price. So make sure you check this out and make sure you go down to the basement for that museum. Hello, it's day 4 and we're going to be taking the cable car up the mountain to the hilltop, the Olympic bobsled area. So it's confusing to find the cable car. I tried scouting it yesterday. So come to City Hall and then follow this street. This is the way to get to any of the other streets. You're just going to be wandering around. Okay, so there's City Hall. We just found this interesting Victorian style building. And then you're going to take those steps up and you can see the cable cars. So return ticket is 30 marks. So I guess you just scan your ticket and go in. Come with me. And it's not busy, so I have it to myself. So this is where you'll see a lot of the foreign tourists coming because it's a very touristy thing to do. But I showed you Vratnik, where you can go on the other side, and that's for free. So the Vratnik Fortress there is where I walked for free. So you can do that for free. This is where all the tourists are going to come. And that was Sniper Alley, which was the front line. So when I came yesterday to scout it out, it was very busy, very crowded. I guess because it's still morning, it's only about 11 AM, it's not too busy yet, the tourists are sleeping in, so I got the place to myself. If you don't like heights, that's the only deep part. Now we're sort of ground level again. Okay, and off we go. If I can let me out. Here we go. Make sure you didn't forget anything. Remember, you have a climate change. There's some snow at the top, there's some flurries falling, so I had to dress warm because it is going to be a temperature drop here. Okay, so it says this is the cable car coming here, so you are here, and we want to go to this bobsled track. The rest of it, oh, it goes on quite a bit. But we're just going to stick to, I'm not walking round and around everywhere. Again, there's different signs, so this is saying to go left. So this is the start of it. Just be careful because it is going to be slippery with this rain and stuff. So I think that's the launching ramp, then they come down here and then round the first turn. So they've repaved everything, but just be careful, it is still slippery with all of this moisture and stuff. Okay, this is another launching ramp from here, and then I don't know what that one is, so I guess there's different routes that could be taken. I mean, this goes on and on, so I don't know how far it goes. Maybe if you brought a bike, because you can bring a bike up the cable car, then it might be a good idea to bike this, but I mean, I'll see how far I go on foot, because I have to walk all this back again. Again, so this is going to go on for quite a bit. A lot of it's graffitied. They made the flooring safer now because I guess they're all potholes and stuff, but I don't know how long it goes on for. So we shall see. Okay, I'm turning back because that's inclining down and then I'm going to have to climb back up again. So there's different paths. I'm just going to stay on the main one and head back. So just on the bits that I did do, I'm on an incline climbing back up, and again watch out because all of this ground is slippery because of the rain and stuff. There's light drizzle. So there's no signage, but there's the cable car, that was the viewing platform, and then you're going to go, that's the start of it. Don't go down that path, just go on that. So as you can see, there's snow falling, there's lots of different hiking trails. I'm not doing any of them, but you can spend like a day here, like there's going there and going there, all over the place. So there's just a cafe above the cable car station, and I did it in good time because now you can see the snow's coming down. Again, I've got the cable car to myself, so it's not busy right now. Yesterday was Saturday evening, it was quite busy, so maybe people come like for the sunset and stuff, but the weather's cloudy, so I kind of had good luck today. So just heading back down, and again, like there's the Vratnik Fortress down on that side that you can go for free. That's the Austro-Hungarian thing that they built, and just to the here, that's the Vratnik Fort that I can walk to. There's another fortress there, so there's actually two. There's that one, then there's the Hungarian thing if I can find it, and then there's Vratnik just to the left of it, so you can easily walk up to them. You don't have to pay to come up here, and they're not as touristy. Only the locals really go there. Again, there is City Hall, and then just behind that cemetery there is Vratnik Fortress. That's where I walked here. I can't see it properly, but that's where I walked to, and you can get good views of the city for free. Then past that Austro-Hungarian thing, then there's another fortress there. So again, there's other options if you know these things. So just quickly explain it again now that we're closer. So that's City Hall. If you walk City Hall, if you walk up past that cemetery here, I can't see it here. That's Vratnik. That's the fortress. You can just walk there. There's that Hungarian one, and then this rain, you can't see it too clearly. I can explain more clearly here. That's Vratnik Fortress. So again, you just climb up by City Hall. Again, there is Vratnik Fortress, and it's just overlooking City Hall down here. So you just have to climb through the streets to get up to there. And it's a better angle from the cable car.